Good morning, students. My name is Manglam Agarwal. Today we are discussing about the environmental legislation in which we discuss various policies like the Environmental Protection Act and NEPA Act, environmental policy, what is the role of environmental policy, and different types of legislation which are enrolled in the environment. Okay, so the today we are discussing about the environmental policy, what is their role, what is the economic effect, what are their advantages and the disadvantages. Okay, so today we are discussing about the environmental policy. Its role is to manage the provisions and use of the environmental resources in such a way that they support the continuous improvement in the prosperity and the well-being for the present and the future generation also, basically for the sustainable development. Okay, so its role is to manage the provisions and the environmental resources in a sustainable manner. Okay, its economic impact, what is this economic impact? The primary goal of this policy is to ensure that the natural environment is managed and use the sustainability in order to avoid any critical situation beyond managed that may create any grammatical or the irreversible change in the environment. Okay, this help to secure the many benefits that security received from the environment. Okay, as an input to economic activity, as a driver of the well-being and the quality of the life on its own. Okay guys, so its primary goal is to manage the natural resources, is manage or not, and to use the sustainability manner that it does not affect the present and the future generation also. Okay, the government policy and the environmental policy has an important role in the technological progress and the innovation. Okay guys, so uh, this act ensuring that the environmental input are priced correctly are likely to help the business and innovate in order to reduce the cost. Please note that the environmental policy can result in the saving and the benefit too in the business and the industry, and the reduction in the cost from improved resource efficiency, growth in expanding the environmental industry, and increase the international competition for first come and the first movers, and the lower risk of the growth. Okay, so this is about the environmental policy in which its role is to improve the continuous improvement for the sustainable development, and its primary goal is to ensure that the natural environment is managed or not in a sustainable manner, and it helps to secure many benefits that the society received from the environment. Our government policy and the environmental policy has an important role in the technological progress and the innovation also. Okay, and the environmental policy can result in the saving and the benefit too in the business and the industry, and the reduction in the cost from the resource efficiency, growth in the expenditure, etc, etc. Okay, so now we are discussing one more important act, which is the NEPA Act, NEPA, National Environmental Policy Act, which comes under 1969 here. Okay, it has the major three important section. That is, the first section is to declaration of the national environmental policies and the goal. The second important section is to establishment of the action forcing provision for federal agencies to enforce those policies and the goals. The third important section is to establishment of a council on the environmental quality, that is CEQ, in the execution office of the president. Okay, basically it has a purpose to ensure that the environmental factors are weight equally when compared to other sector. Okay, that is the essential purpose of the NEPA Act, that is National Environmental Policy Act, is to ensure that the environmental factors weighted equally when compared to the other sector in the decision making process which is undertaken by the federal agency. And the next purpose is to the CEQ, that is Council of the Environmental Quality, was established to advise the president in the preparation of the annual environmental quality report, which address the state of the federal agencies in implementing the act on national policies and to promote the improvement of the environmental quality. Okay, and the effectiveness of the NEPA originates in its requirement of the federal agencies to prepare an environmental statement with the report and the recommendation for funding from the government. So this is about the NEPA Act, that is National Environmental Policy Act, which comes in the year 1969. Okay, so you can write from there. Okay guys. Okay, and this is the purpose of NEPA Act. So in the next class we will discuss one more important act, that is the EPA Act, that is Environmental Protection Act, which comes in 1986. Environmental Protection Act. Okay guys. Thank you class.